Electronics Department. Today we got invited by Atal Incubation Centre, PEC Foundation for this amazing workshop. In the morning section, we got learned many things about the Arduino board, and in the afternoon we applied our hands-free practical session, and it was very amazing.
I'm Arjun Krishna from 3rd year AIC-PECF. I previously had an experience of attending a workshop on PCB designing organized by Atal Incubation Centre. So as expected, today's workshop on Arduino board designing was possible. Morning theory session by Mr. Yogaraman was very good and much interactive. And afternoon session, we soldered our own Arduino board, which was really interactive, and the freedom that they gave to us when we were working on our board was overwhelming. Thanks to Atal.